So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. And then click on Restart, which will now take us to here. We're going to enable safe mode. So you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4, which will now take us into safe mode. And now once you're on this, you want to go to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to expand Display Adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on Uninstall Device. And then click on Uninstall. Once that's been uninstalled, you just want to restart your computer. It's going to take you back into Windows. Once you're back in Windows, your graphics card driver will automatically reinstall again, and then the problem should be fixed.